everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tania. Please take a moment to subscribe and press the bell icon beside it to get notified whenever I upload a video. I have come up with this simple, elegant and subtle look which is gorgeous but not over the top. This look is really easy and quick. The best part is there is no hassle of blending your foundation. You just need good 15 minutes to do this look. And all the products are pretty affordable and easily available. So without further delay, let's start. At first I will moisturize my face. I am using the Embryolisse cream. You can use this as a primer also. Now I will start with my brows. First I will comb my brows with a clean spoolie, and then using the Benefit brow pomade I will fill in my brows. You can use any eyebrow pencil of your choice to do so. Keep your brows as natural as possible. Don't overdo it. Now I am using a clear gel to keep my brow hair in place for the rest of the day. If you want, you can skip this step. Now with the concealer I am just cleaning underneath my brows to make my brows more prominent. Don't use a very creamy concealer for this purpose. Now with the help of a beauty blender I am just blending the edges. Now I am applying a primer. I have oily skin and this is summer season, so I need a silicone based primer to hold my makeup for a longer period. Now to hide all the discoloration of my face, I am using a concealer which is exactly my skin tone. You have to use a concealer which is of your exact skin tone. You cannot use a darker or lighter shade for this. Try to use a concealer which is really pigmented and gives a full coverage. I am using the Sephora concealer. Now with the help of a damp beauty blender I am just blending it out. Now as a base I am using the Lakme CC cream today. At first I will apply it in dots, and then with the help of a damp beauty blender I will just blend it. As this is a CC cream, you don't have to worry about blending it properly because it will blend very easily anyways. Now using a loose powder I am setting my base. I prefer a loose powder over a compact because loose powders are way more lighter on your skin and makes your makeup long lasting compared to compacts. If you don't have a loose powder, then you can always use a compact instead. Now I am using a mattifying setting spray to fix everything. Now with the help of a bronzer I am just bronzing my face to give it a dimension. I will not do a harsh contouring today. I will just use it very lightly on the contouring areas. Now to give the powder highlight effect I am using the same setting powder once again, but this time only on the highlighting areas which we usually highlight using a concealer. I am using the setting spray once again. For my eye makeup I am using the Makeup Revolution Pro HD Defiant palette. Using this golden shimmer color I will saturate my lids at first. Then using a brown shade I am just blending the edges and using it as my transition shade. I will smoke out my lower lash line with the same brown color, and for my inner 1/3 I will apply the same golden shade. Now I am taking the shimmery color and using it to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. For eyeliner I am using the Lakme Eye Artist. This is a sketch pen liner. That is why it is very easy to draw a line with this. For my lower lash line I am using the Lakme Iconic Kajal. I will extend the kajal in the outer V And then with a blending brush I will just extend it to get a smudged wing liner effect. I will also smudge a kajal in my lower lash line with a black eyeshadow. This is the easiest way to achieve the smudged winged liner look. I will not apply any falsies today. I will just curl my lashes and apply a good coat of mascara on my lower and upper lashes. After applying the mascara, I will again curl my lashes. To bring back the color on my face, I am applying some blush now. I will use the blush very light-handedly. To get the right amount of glow, I will apply very little highlighter on the highlighting areas. I am using the Wet n Wild highlighter. This gives a very natural finish. And now to keep the look very subtle, I am using a nude lip color. This is from I Amsterdam. All the products are listed in the description box below with their buying links. Please check that out. And for the final time, I am using the setting spray to lock and seal everything. This is the completed look. So here is the final look. Hope you all like it. Please comment below and let me know your thoughts about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you for watching.